Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and I am so excited to show you the October kit. This is the digital subscription that's available in my shop. So first off, we have our October calendar on this cute pumpkin. And this month there's only one paper. It says leopard print. And I printed one on regular paper and one on vellum. Let me see, I'm not sure if you can see that's how the vellum looks. And I only did one paper because I wanted this month to be all about the deco. So first off, let me show you this set. So we have this cute little sweater. And this is the other version of that pumpkin without the calendar on it. We have some scissors. Cute little cup, and this one says we have Hello Fall, October, and sweater weather. And we have this tennis shoe. It kind of has like almost like a rose gold feel to it, and it's really tiny, but right underneath the shoe it says just do it. And this is, I don't know if you all get like this, once it gets cold, like exercise for me goes out the window. So this is my kind of fall reminder. Then we have this doll, which she is not new, but she makes her appearance every fall. We also have this one, the jeans with the leopard shoes. And then this one, my favorite, we have a sweater that says sweater weather. Oh, and I like to print things at different sizes. So this is the little one without the words on it. But you can print everything at whatever size you want. And we have a purse. Y'all know I have to have a purse in every collection. And this coffee cup says Hello Fall. And let me see, I think this one is laminated. I started laminating some of the pieces. And then we have a cute little coat. And then this little mason jar with the flowers. And I had to print one at this big size. I don't know, a giant die cut just makes me so happy. And we have this same pumpkin with the Hello Fall on it. We have another little purse. And let's see, I think I already showed you these two, but these are laminated. I started laminating some of these to go in my planner. And the last thing, we have some boots. So let's move all of these and let me show you the rest of them. These are kind of like the Halloween themed ones. So we have these cute little ghosts. Pumpkin. This one says Boo. This one is a little spider web. A little bat. And I don't like cats, but I think this black cat is so cute. The little pink ears. And we have the moon with the clouds. Pot. Another little pink pumpkin. Oh, and this is another one of my favorites, the little witch hat. And this one says Happy Halloween. And I'll show you you can print, this is the size that the sticker sheet comes. So this one and this one. And let me show you, you can also print it at different sizes. That's the beauty of getting a digital, is you can print it at whatever size. So I already printed this one at this is the main size that'll work for my happy planner. So depending on what size planner you're using, like if you're using the classic happy planner or an A5, this would work better. Or the pocket, you can use the teeny tiny stickers. So that is this month's collection. Oh, and I also have a coupon code in the description box. And the coupon code works for, it's a discount on the first month of the kit. So that is it. Stay tuned because I cannot wait to plan with these, and I'm also setting up a new planner tonight, so that will be coming soon.